How to fix Facebook Marketplace option not showing up. So it is a very simple and straightforward process. Let's get started. Firstly, go to the App Store and search for the Facebook app, and if there is update option available, then make sure you are using the latest version of the Facebook app on your device. So after that, simply go to the Facebook and tap on the three dashboard in bottom right corner, then tap on the settings and privacy. Inside settings and privacy, tap on settings and scroll down until you find the option navigation bar. So after you find the navigation bar, simply tap on it. So after you tap on it, tap on the customize the bar option available in the top. So after that, you can simply see the marketplace option available there. So make sure that your marketplace is on auto. If it is unpinned or hidden, then it won't be shown properly. So make sure that it is on auto option available is turned on. So that is it, guys. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of the Facebook Marketplace option not showing on your device. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.